If you are someone who is working in the IT industry as of now and you are bothered about the things that are happening overall in the IT market that is related to the AI and software engineers or automation testers, then this video is going to be for you. We are going to discuss about what will be the impact of AI on different IT service-based companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, Cognizant. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Now today's video is going to be very important. Make sure that you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That will be the most important thing. Okay, so before moving forward, I just want to discuss with you about AI, what exactly AI is doing worldwide, right? So a lot of people, software developers or automation testers also, support engineers also, they are using some of the other form of AI tools, some plugins they are using in their IDs, in their automation testing and a lot of other things, right? So they are using this AI, they are harnessing the power of machine learning and AI, that is artificial intelligence, and they're able to work, they are able to simplify their task as of now, right now. Okay, lot of people who are working with Perplexity AI or even your other AI tools or software like DeepSeek and other things, right? They are providing some of the other form of APIs which we can utilize by different applications or AI agents, and later on they can create and simplify the processes or tasks, right? Whether it can be software development or it can be some product planning, a lot of other things, right? Support work or chat with AI, all those things can be simplified using AI.
What about the Indian outsourcing giants? Think of Infosys, TCS, Wipro. What happens there?
I think they're just going to use AIs.
And what happens to all the people who are there? And if AIs are able to replicate,
they're not going to hire as many people going forward.
But the use case for an American company outsourcing to the Indian company to begin with was, if one were to assume, cheaper cost of labor.
Yeah.
And now maybe an agent does then what happens to these companies on the whole?
Certainly less, like they'll have to charge less. Some of it is actually based on like relationships. So like, I know these AIs can do some of these things, but I would still trust you guys to do it without any bugs or errors. And, like until AIs are at a point of reliability where you just have no arguments not to use them, I feel like humans will still trust other human businesses to do stuff for them, but they'll just push them to like, hey, like now that AIs can use this, why do you guys need like 3 months to get it done faster? Like, why do you guys need to charge us this much? Charge us lower. I think they're going to push more on those shorter term trends rather than saying, hey, I don't think we need you guys anymore. Like just.
It's interesting that you say you guys. Now, at this point in life, do you view yourself as an American or Indian?
No, I don't mean like you guys in the Infosys
no, I don't mean it in a bad way. I don't mean.
No. I think let me be clear. I don't mean.
You live there.
Yeah. So for the previous statement, I want to say it was simply between like what would the software vendor say to the software provider? I mean you guys in that sort of way. It could mean, but there are companies like Infosys, smaller scale, that do it in America too, where they clearly say somebody wants to move from Databricks to Snowflake, and AIs cannot do the code translation. A human firm is actually doing that for them. Right.
Thank you for watching this entire video. I hope that this video was really helpful for all of you guys. If yes, then please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. I will give the link in the description box to the entire video, the entire podcast of Mr. Nikhil Kamath. You can go and watch that video if you're interested. Thank you and have a great day.